Here's another story of how technology is about to change something we take for granted, building a house.
Or maybe even rapid construction of a moon colony.
Oh, it's not a scene out of the Jetsons.
We spoke with Professor Behrokh Khoshnevis of the University of Southern California, who says a house a day may not be that far in the future.
It all sounds pretty far-fetched, we know, but new technology could make it possible.
Behrokh Khoshnevis has already invented the technology. It's called contour crafting.
With the help of USC's Information Sciences Institute, Khoshnevis has designed a device that he says will revolutionize construction.
Behrokh Khoshnevis has always been a pioneer of thinking really outside the box.
He was a professor at USC and he came up with the idea, how can we take certain materials and automate through robotics and other means to basically print houses faster.
With his credibility, his patents, his printers, it was just fantastic that we had the opportunity to work with him.
Hello, my name is Behrokh Khoshnevis. I have been a professor at USC and for many years.
At USC Viterbi, what was your most famous invention?
Well, the most famous one is construction scale 3D printing, an idea that I came up with in 1994.
If you think about it, it's the way we build buildings traditionally it involves a lot of human labor in many different ways. The idea that you can replace this by in a robotic way.
And the fact that it can print so quickly, it's sustainable, you don't need much labor, it's no waste, it's got good U values, it's super strong. So you go to likes of Acapulco where the houses get blown down in storms, or the Philippines, or the fires in California. That wouldn't be easy for people to stop doing bricks and sticks. But
this is the only way to really address the housing crisis and the automation to move forward in the housing.
The company is called Contour Crafting Corporation. Contour Crafting was the name that I gave to this process of building buildings basically using 3D printing. So I pioneered this field. It's now an industry by itself. And because of that, I've been known as the founding father of this field. So I think and hope that the first beneficiaries of the technology will be the most deserving ones, the nearly 1 billion people who live in the slums now or are homeless. Some people ask me who wants a house in a day, and my response to them is there are a lot of people who lose their houses in a minute or less. Definitely those people want their house in a day.
Having spent 30 years of doing it, his technology is so advanced and so smart.
And that's from my perspective, a game changer. This is a total different level of automation you have to think about. But how do you put electricity in there? How do you do plumbing? And that's where he built a lot of patents and technology, which is very, very helpful now. And we're in the process to really bring this technology to market.
It's the future for constructing things, given that now robotics is very much, you think about it as an embedded AI, and that's something that we can actually look forward to having a significant impact.
What Dr. Behrokh has done is created, a super printer with ongoing technology wrapped around it to support that evolution in our journey, and to fulfill his dream and leave a legacy. Because when the records look back in 20, 30 years' time, they'll be talking about where this started with Dr. Behrokh and USC and how it evolved through the decades. And it's exciting to be part of that journey with him.
I always think about leaving a footprint, making something a little bit better in my short time here, so that my coming and going would have had a meaning, an influence. positive influence, hopefully, right?